Hello, I am Derek Walker. I'm a board member of the Centre for Digital Public Services. After each board meeting, we're going to be taking it in turns to provide a short update of what happened at the meeting. So here goes with my update. It was the first board meeting of our new CEOs, Myra and Harriet. So we were delighted to welcome both of them to the organisation, two fantastic appointments. One of their first tasks has been to help us to clarify the role of CDPS, because the range of work we could get involved in doing is huge. So we want to make sure that our role and focus is clear. We also discussed our ongoing landscape review and the direction that work is heading. It is now taking a slightly different direction than we initially envisaged, but as a result, we anticipate the development of a really useful strategic tool that will provide us with a framework for taking decisions about what projects we prioritize in future in order to make the biggest impact. Another agenda item was to consider our activities to build skills and confidence in order to deliver better digital public services. This will be an important area for CDPS's work going forward. Our landscape review has highlighted how we lack agile digital skills and digital project management skills. So we need to build up these specialist skills in Wales. As citizens, we have high expectations of the public services that we want. So our public service organisations and employees need the skills to meet these expectations. So that is a very quick snapshot of the board meeting, but you can find out more about our work at the website digitalpublicservices.gov.wales or by following us on Twitter. Thank you. Diolch.